Angel. Today we're going to be making wok fried rice, which is super easy to make. Now I've got a bunch of day-old rice here, which is perfect for this dish, and we're going to be using one of my grandma's favorite ingredients, which is Chinese sausage. We call this enchang in Taiwanese, but she would constantly make fried rice with Chinese sausage in it. So if you guys are interested in how to make this super quick and easy dish, keep watching. For this recipe, we're going to need 4 links of Chinese sausage. So this is enchang, and I'm using 4 links of Chinese sausage here. You can also substitute with a protein of your choice. We will also need 3 to 4 eggs and some green onions. I'm using 3 green onion stalks. Some soy sauce to taste. And finally, some day-old rice. Now, I'm recommending that you make this the night before. I cooked 2 cups of white rice in my rice cooker. I let that cool, and then I put that in the fridge overnight. And the reason why I did this is because you want your rice to kind of fry up nicely in the wok. And so by making and using day-old rice, it's going to be drier. So that way you can really get that fried rice taste. So now we're going to go ahead and prepare the ingredients. I'm going to start with the eggs. I'm just going to crack those into a bowl. Now I'm going to whisk the eggs with my chopsticks. Make sure your eggs are whisked really well. So you want to make sure that when you take your chopsticks up, it's very smooth. Now I'm just going to set those aside, and we're going to chop our green onions first. So I'm just going to chop these at an angle. That's so we can get some style points. And I'm going to set these aside in a small bowl. And now we're going to chop our sausage. Here I'm also going to chop my sausage at an angle. And if you guys don't have Chinese sausage or you can't find some at the Asian grocery store, you can go ahead and use regular sausage as well, or a protein of your choice. And now we're ready to cook. I'm just going to transfer all the ingredients over here. This will help us and make it easier when we cook. And I'm going to get out my wok. Turn that on. So once you've preheated your wok, I'm going to add a tablespoon of oil. And we're going to start by cooking the Chinese sausage. I'm just going to stir fry the sausage for a minute or 2 until it's brown. Once your Chinese sausage is done, I'm going to go ahead and put it back onto the dish. And now we're going to go ahead and cook the eggs. Once your eggs are halfway cooked, go ahead and add in your rice. Sorry, this is so not graceful. Once your eggs are halfway cooked, go ahead and add in your rice. Now it might take a bit of strength because day-old rice is really hard. So go ahead and just dig in there with your spatula and break up the rice. And feel free to add more oil as needed, because this is fried rice after all. Now we can go ahead and add soy sauce to taste. And make sure when you're adding your soy sauce, you add to the outer side of the woks. That way it burns just a little and has a nice charred taste to it. All right, now that I've got the soy sauce mixed in, I'm gonna go ahead and add my Chinese sausage back into the dish. And finally, our green onions. Now I'm just gonna add some salt and pepper to taste. I actually like a lot of fresh ground pepper, so I'm gonna do about 12 turns of my pepper mill. And some salt. Oh, it's already smelling really good. Do the taste test. Perfect. So the final step is to now just look at your rice and see how fried you like your fried rice. So some people like theirs really charred. I like mine a little bit brown and burnt. Now this is looking like the perfect color for fried rice. And I really like how this is just slightly burnt. Now we can go ahead and turn off the heat, and we're ready to serve. Wow, this smells really good. Fried rice is best served hot, so make sure you guys serve your rice hot. And finally, I'm gonna garnish with some more green onions right on top. All right, I'm tired of standing. Can I sit on the counter? Okay. All right, so that, guys, is how you make fried rice with Chinese sausage, or enchang. It smells so good right now. I love the smell of freshly made fried rice. So now we're gonna do the taste test. Okay, I'm gonna get a little bit. You know what? I actually like to eat fried rice with a spoon. So let me grab a spoon really quickly. All right, so now we're gonna do the taste test with a spoon, because that is how you eat fried rice. Oh my gosh, I love Chinese sausage. The flavors of the fried rice. The rice is definitely like really, really texture-wise delicious. It's like perfectly fried in the wok, and I love the taste of the seasonings that we put in it. Simple yet delicious. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'm Angel, thank you guys so much for watching, and as my grandpa would say, sharing a meal with a fascinating stranger is one of life's true delights. So until we can share that meal together, or fried rice, take care, I love you, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!